Hello everyone, welcome to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. In this video, I'll be talking about one of the plugins that I love the most these days, and it is called Sitekit by Google. It is pretty much in beta stages at the moment, but I have already downloaded it just to demonstrate it. So let me first go to Sitekit by Google. Let's search. This is the first result, Sitekit by Google, and this is specifically for WordPress users. If you are a WordPress user, you must have this plugin in your website. As you can see, this is still in beta stages, bringing the best of Google tools to WordPress. Okay, get authoritative and up-to-date recommendations from Google. Sitekit shows key metrics and insights from 4 different Google products. What it means is, if you have been using Google WordPress, you might be knowing that if you have to verify your website in Google Webmasters, which is now known as Search Console, you had to download a plugin, external plugin, and you verify your WordPress through that plugin. So with this plugin, you no longer need to rely on third-party plugins, as Google has gone ahead and created this plugin just for the users of WordPress, so that they don't have to go through a third party to verify their Google products. Okay, so the products which are supported by this plugin are these: Google Search Console, Google Analytics, AdSense, Page Speed Insights. Okay, it is a very easy process to install this plugin, which is only available through this link at the moment, and it is not available within WordPress at the moment. So you have to download it from here and then upload inside the WordPress panel. So I'll show you the whole process. So let's quickly go ahead and download this plugin. I've already downloaded it. Just to show you how to go about it, I've clicked on Get Developer Beta. Scroll down. Sitekit is available to download right here. This is the link you need to click on. So let's click on it. Since I have already downloaded it, I no longer need to download it again. So let me cancel it. You need to click on Save. Okay. This is the plugin. Okay, the next thing I need to do is sign in to the website where I want to upload this plugin. My website is topitguy.com. By the way, I already have this plugin installed on my other websites. Just to demonstrate this plugin, I'm using this new website. So let's go ahead and log in. Alright, so I'm logged in. Now I need to go to plugin and click on add new. And this is the option, upload plugin. Choose file. Make sure you do not unzip it, because only zipped versions can be uploaded to WordPress panel. So let's click on it and open. Next thing is click on install now. Okay, plugin installed successfully. Next thing is activate plugin. Okay, the plugin has been installed. Congratulations, the Sitekit plugin now activated. Next thing, start setup. Very easy process. We need configuration code, and it is here. Click on here. Make sure you do not have ad block on, only then you'll be able to download the credentials needed. So get OAuth for credentials, click here. Copy this code by clicking here, hit done, go back, paste here, hit proceed, and sign in with the Google account you use for your site. Sign in with Google. Now pick the account you use. This is the one for me. Now you need to give access. So hit allow. So Google Sitekit has been authenticated. The URL has been verified. Connect Search Console, finish. All the process has been completed. So let's go to dashboard. As you can see, there are 4 products: Search Console, AdSense, Analytics, PageSpeed Insights. For now I'm skipping AdSense because I already have a different plugin installed for this, and later at some point I will be using this feature, but for now I'm not using it. I've skipped the other products at the moment, and this is the dashboard of Search Console, which you can fetch within your WordPress control panel. I'll connect rest of the Google products in my next video. So for now, let me show you what all you can see inside this dashboard. Those are the search queries for your website. You can activate page speed as well, and for that you need to go to settings. Inside that you will get the other Google products that you can activate, and the process is pretty much the same which we followed in this video. Google AdSense, Google Analytics, PageSpeed Insights, and other Google products that are still in beta. So you get the point, right?